Hey everyone, so I wanted to go over, I wanted to go over the layout for the fall kit. Like I said, I have changed it from the pattern and I wanted just to go over it with y'all. So if you're doing size 5, what you're going to do is take the selvage edges of your fabric, and I tried to show this like and with the actual fabric, you know, in real person, whatever, but it just got so big. So I'm just gonna demonstrate this on paper, so you can see the whole situation. So you're gonna take your fabric edges, your selvage edges of your fabric. Daisy, I'm trying to talk, sweetie. The selvage edges of your fabric and bring them together in the middle. This will make a fold on each of those long sides. You see what I'm saying? So you take the selvage edges and you put them in the middle so that they're touching each other. And now you've got a fold on one side as well as the other side. And then you can arrange your pattern pieces as you see in the layout. The pink pattern pieces are pattern pieces that are cut on the fold. I wanted to like really emphasize that. What would you like? This? I really wanted to emphasize that. So the pink pattern pieces are the ones that are cut on the fold. So you arrange that, you know, that way, and then, you know, you need 4 collar pieces. Now you've got 2 layers on one side, so you can get, you know, 2 times 2 is 4. Same with the back bodice. And I just made these into rectangles. I didn't actually do the whole shape of them, but you can imagine, you know, if you were to like trace out the neckline and the arm side and all that sort of stuff, you could get your pattern pieces. So moving on to sizes, the other sizes, 6 through 12. What you're going to do is you're going to fold from one selvage edge to the next. So start at one. How can I make you happy? Start at one selvage edge and bring it up such that, let's start with like the bodice front pieces. Those are cut on the fold, as you can see they're marked in pink. So you're going to start with on one selvage edge, fold it up enough that you can fit that bodice front piece onto the fabric, you know, and you're going to cut out those pieces. And the same thing with this folded up, you can get out your collar pieces as well. And then you're going to do continue folding. You're going to do your skirt. Front needs to be cut on the fold. But you can kind of work from one selvage edge to the other and fold as it makes sense. So for the back bodice pieces, you could actually fold that over and then only have to cut out, you know, cut it out twice. And since it's folded over, you've got 2 layers per cut, so 2 times 2 is 4, so you've got your 4 bodice back pieces. Same thing with the skirt. You can just fold that over and cut her out, and now you've got your 2 skirt back pieces. Does that make sense? So, I hope it does. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. I am here for you. I put this kit out for y'all, and I put it out with the beginner seamstress in mind. So if you have any questions, by all means, please email me. Please leave your questions down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time.